Welcome back to another RTE video. Today, we're going to compare the new Supernote A6 X2 Nomad with the previous model A6X. The first thing we're going to take a look at are the specs of both devices. Here you'll see that highlighted in blue is everything that is now different from the previous version. Only the display size and the connectivity are the same. Everything else is different from the size, the weight, that it is just a little bit heavier than the previous version, 266 grams now versus the previous 255 grams. This also has the new screen protector, the Feel Right 2, compared to the previous model. The RAM, the memory, has also been doubled from 2 gigs of RAM to 4. And although the storage is still 32, you'll notice that the new device now supports you actually putting in a micro SD card up to 2 terabytes. The processor has also increased from 1.3 to 1.8 gigahertz. And the battery, a little surprising, the battery now is at 2,700 milliamp versus 2,900. So that was a little bit of a surprise that the battery is actually a little bit less than it was previously. And of course, it does come pre-installed with Android. However, there will be a future update that will allow you to run Linux on the device. Looking at the X2, the USB-C port is at the top along with a power button. The back has 2 magnets, one at the top and bottom of the device, that are used to attach the Nomad to the new folio cases. Turning both devices on, I want to show the auto rotation feature. Once activated on the X2, turning the device will instantly rotate the screen. As you can see here on the A6X, of course, there is not auto rotation. What makes this interesting is if you want the power button and USB-C port to be at the bottom of the device, you can do so just by turning on the auto rotation. This can mainly be achieved due to the fact that the Nomad now has dual sidebars, which is a great feature that I didn't even realize when I first ordered the device. So for those considering an upgrade, just know that any previous folio type cases will not work with the Nomad. I use a sleeve case right now which still fits the X2 nicely. In an upcoming video, I'll compare the new Feel Right 2 screen protector with the Remarkable 2 and Amazon Kindle Scribe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you in the next video.